The Queenie now. Yes.
They said be that name. The Queen is here, girl power, pussy power.
Never lazy,
Pussy
crazy.
suck. The man them too wicked and blood clot conniving. Every day them a choke and lick with the cocky and put in our ears, our nose. Nothing but the truth and the living truth. It's no crime, pussy is power. So you provoke me.
I don't want if it come talk about. If it, no way I do it, if it. No way I do if it. If it, no way I do way I run out.
A pussy power, pussy bring life, pussy a greatest thing. The man for real to man and respect woman and stop discriminate woman. So I have enough of the discriminated and then get big blame and then they go sing song and I go say a song. All right. A song for song, wipe out for husband versus blood clot song. Draw back one more song. We'll stand it out.
Queenie, what you do? Try clash the way. After the way the bad artist, one connection.
Bad artist husband, and me bring him.
See it ya? Here ya, Queenie. We'll kill you now. Here ya. Here ya.
But yeah, you don't know you're married, and I keep on your stuff. Me say, cut the crap, you know, say, my fucking at the done on God, kiss a girl, come, say, my cat, come, take that, oh, slap my cat.
Don't be back.
In the piece of bubble, something. Like a Dutch pop, me no fuck, not the crash. Enough is shot, if it clean and tight. Enough is shot.
Enough is shot.
Do it, man.
That's the night time.
Crazy! That's my fucking husband. Bomba clock, we are sang it out and clash it out.
Wait a Queenie. Wait, stop planting and do it.
Plan. At 13 days, I not to do it. And last time, I go in a cat burn pen, go sit down in a party spot in the flat palm my bottom and perform and left out. Bad my blood clot, but me I got alone going at that go sit down. And I want party with him there when I cut my cat him style me 13 days. I'm just hold it like a dress, different folks, different blood clot strokes. So back now. You know, husband and wife been there done that while and I'm with me. Sorry, it's a different style me I give them. Him sing the song. Me I complain him say me I witch, me I ditch, me I switch, me I this, me I that, and him not talk to me. Him tell everybody what the problem with me I'm in here. So what I do? More like a G. So him do the song, Richie. I said that is an insult to your wife. He make excuse. I do X song with how much song for me. Do one man to my good. Him say do it. May I do a song back for me. He doesn't want to do a song. He want to press up on his own because I'm too old and disgusting and 9. So now she hit the blood clot fan and 3 years reaching at the sex. 2.5 years in our marriage. I've got fucking enough. So you go like, you know, suck blood clot pussy a greatest blood clotting and enough girl come on internet come tell you suck pussy. Which is right for me come out as a white now and speak about my life. Who offended any big thinking blood clot 100 ton of cabbage here smell pussy girl who feel like you can't challenge me for equal rights and justice. 69 is a long time trick. None of blood clot and none give me suck no blood clot 69. You suck my crutches and me suck your cocky. Woman and man come.
I your husband, this is the Queenie you talk about one connection.
Him have a wife. Him have a wife regardless of what me's a wife. So if you go sing say, people are telling say your wife or your give bun or you say cut the crap. Girl have to suck your cock. Say no that me say Queenie your wife or your one boy. Now him a counteract. Yeah, all who can your blood clot feel you want challenge me. You don't want me and your bill as one. You want to run away with friends and tell me. So you know what? Me have no friend, but you're not building a future with no friend. Last night I eat a 6 or 8 my next cart him. I'm just like a jeep and say, look how me live for the Father God. My husband have man escort him from me like me I do him some after I'm going 13 days now with the car. And me just said,
the Royal Mobile you talk about, do we go with
5 seat at the minute, the fit, yeah.
The Royal Mobile?
Yes, yes, them there Canada, so I'm going to report my car stolen because him don't appreciate whatever man him bill. Him not appreciate it because me is the breadwinner, I have the links, I have the potential, the determination. Before him appreciate me and capitalize me, him undermine me. So when him go around and fuck and have 31 baby mother and none of blood clot fit them and a female England. Every month me hear so one different girl I breed Richie. Let me hear you talk. Every blood clot different. I'm tired of it. You understand me? I don't talk about when me say. When me tell him when me say. Pussy for
No,
So
we
man,
are
man,
going to
I
tell him
don't
to
know
queen.
something blood clot, pussy, no leave me uncomfortable blood clot spirit, and me tell them I forgot kill me and name my blood clot body, you know, Richie.
Nobody now eat you. Nobody now going to kill her eat
After
your queen.
you know I burn my last time when I see the man them, I go like them on blood clot proof. I'm like woman for my husband. I say watch blood clot and I don't mind none and do it. Do a loyalties with me and him can't be loyal with me. Because him want 100 pitney. I have one blood clot pitney, I don't want to pay no man, and I mean you want to walk, I tell people, I'm afraid of her. My wife abuse me, you abuse me, I mean abuse you. You work both ways, he's a man where you ball and look refuge, I tell people about my abuse and nobody can talk to me. Nobody can talk to my husband. The last of August, when I take him and I hold it and say, do let's pray. Right out
Hey,
of fence. Wait the man. I have enough.
Queenie, but
One
wait.
blood clot man to my goodie. No man to my goodie. Yes, go on, Richie.
Queenie, but remember saying no. You say you say him going to Canada. They didn't yarn him this to go to Canada.
No, I never get the Canada visa. So for him get the visa, them have option, them have hype on me and all. I tell me, say me bad mind him for visa, true, me not get none. But I mean, make you get it. That is neither dear nor dear. So the little things that him said to me, and to me big and loud and awful, him behave like say him a saint. But him abuse me, but through me rough. Everybody know I'm rough. Him not still abuse him, give me, because I just bunks it off. You understand me?
Yes,
Me not have no more blood clot of that. You hear that? Enough is enough.
We need the amount of time when you say enough is enough. You
You
think
may
a
have
bit with the
10 minutes to breathe from me, 15 minutes, 25 minutes, 35 minutes, 1 hour, every blood clot minute. You know, do not DNA, your friend for blood clot, girl, you come tell me about, oh, girl, say, you make a choice. Hey, the man do me some blood clot thing, so I just make him sell him blood clot soul with me. Because he's an old fool and an old blood clot with Richie. Yeah? Tell him I make me and him go counsel. Oh, me not fight for the marriage and him insult me and him show up for me. You understand me? All heap of things, brother. All heap of bird me word. But too me cussy and loud and vulgar and people love bash blood clot me. But me know my blood clot tongue say, speak the truth but forever. Speak the truth but nothing but the truth, Queenie, because it's my truth. Me not perfect in a Richie.
yeah.
But the way me love up that man there. The way me nice him up.
A true
Sometimes
man.
just screw
Carry man for
me.
your back.
Me go show. Me I perform him stand one side of screw. So me and him walk him there behind me my screw. And me all me I said do it, darling. Remember we married. Remember I said me I kiss him ass. Me I lick out him body. Me I tick out him toenail. And me listen. The boy style me, but you me know me is a G. Me done married. I remember me frightened over my marriage, you know. Me no want no blood clot boy for fuck me and trick blood clot. Me make him trick me in it. You understand me?
Yeah.
Every week you tell me one different girl I breed. So I tell me, so no, you're the liberty now, no? Me and him sit down in that chair and I need 1 tree. So him tell me about the girl. This girl live 10 minutes from me. This around the 29th out of 30. The girl said me there Jamaica waste time and I could have been get me stay. This is where I repeat to me as a wife, you know. And him could have been get him stay when I me make him get stay there in England. And the girl says, him not come a baby shower and him a waste time with me. So I say, so you not tell the girl go suck her mother. Oh, me not tell the girl go suck the mother because me not stay like you. So I say, pussy, where you take me from? You have a fuck girl, breed girl. Girl come tell us to them breed. When girl fuck blood clot wife and them a side chick, them all them blood clot corner. Sometimes I them I talk to them I the pitney same way. So a girl for come tell you say you're there Jamaica waste time, here you live adventurous life. We are make money, we are profit, we are build. So my sister not appreciate me. But long run short catch, cause he's an old fool. And him young and him now want me stress him out, but him give him most blood clot stress, but to the little comfort with him and the little loving with him and the ramping. Me just say Queenie all is not last. Come and I kill woman and I pluck out them fingernail, I kill them pitney and I do all sorts. So I balance it, Richie. But enough is enough. You understand me?
The queen is enough this time.
It is enough. Listen, I have many qualities. I am demanding and I am a warrior. I'm sweet, I'm nice, I'm caring, I'm determined. I achieve a lot with my husband because I mean him energy and the world love us. But he wanna compete with me. Him say one done my career. You understand? Some feel like them can challenge me. So when I'm doing record with some friends, where him got to them and him ball as a victim, none of them no listen to me. Last time I got the party and see the whole of the man them a style me. So what could you look at me live for say? So do you do that again? Him go England and mix up everybody when mean when come in and mix up with everybody. Make any enemy with them and then treat me bad. You understand? But to me the old blood clot full of blood and I
make
rub him
them
down
shit in
so.
your yard, Queenie.
Eh?
I make them shit in your yard.
Thank you. So my whole a lot film white girl comes and him suck her pussy my different white girl come. My husband is not a sucky licky blood clot man. I the
Queenie,
truth.
cool, man.
My husband is not a eater for truth, but he must suck my pussy cause my husband look for me.
Queenie, cool,
Me
man.
a real woman, them have to kill my dirty blood clot. I said, do it, deal with me with respect. If you're going do it, go and deal with me with respect. Don't throw the words on me on Instagram. Cause we're past that stage. I spoke to him. He does it to listen. I come out of hospital, me and him have argument, him still a drag me up. All heap of things. So him not have no remorse, him not have no care. All him want to do a profile me and then call him friend them. And me not intimidate but by nobody. I may say your friend them have girl for fuck and them have responsibility. So when you dump your opportunity, me say do it, come back to England and make whatever opportunity me give me the best. Crazy me now, come back to England. Cause you go argue with me about girl when I breed. So you want to walk and breed how much in blood clot girl. I know you none of them are no fear. But me feel live haunted with blood clot that I when me talk them say me this and me that. You understand me? Them undermine me. Through me control my blood clot. Me just deal with it and satisfy. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah.
You have enough. You ever have a wife now and I go sing. People have to do it or you're married or you have to stop give on and you tell them cut the crap. Girl have to suck your cock and whatever. I insult me as a wife. Me sing a song, the
Yeah,
pain
Queenie.
song. Pardon?
Yeah, Queenie, hear the song, yeah? Hear the song, yeah, Queenie? Let them hear it, because they not hear. Hear the song, yeah? Hear the song, yeah, when this is the Queenie, yeah?
And I keep on every stop, me say, cut the crap, you know, say, my fucking at the dolly on God, catch a girl, pump, suck my cock, take out a girl, oh, slap my cock, beauty in the beast, a bubble song, like a dutchy pop, me na fuck, bloody crap, she not good enough.
So when him say, oh, you feel married and a door, so you say, are you must throw what pan Queenie?
Am I married and them I say him to stop cheat. So I must say fuck the crap. Him hot. So agent girl and this so that is rude, that is insultive to a wife.
To the wife.
Me and you sing. Me tell you for me and him sing song. Him no want to sing no song with me, Richie. Him style me have beer people him do song with and him not tell me and him go around me and do everything and me just sit back like I do everything me tell the man and share it with the man. Cause we're one in it. So I want to put things. Tell them not fuck with me, you hear that, Richie?
You're rude. You're rude to the Queen, Dwey.
I'm a husband, Richie, I'm a husband, I'm a love him. But enough is enough. And you know what hurt me? When I'm going and friend them, I influence them. Me here when I'm friend, I call me, I say to myself, but Queen, you have to apologize to the man. You have to learn to apologize. I say, me talk for 12 hours and my husband sit down and him not answer. I beg him, I preach, I say everything in a God book. I go up on my knee and him not care. So how now you gotta tell people me not apologize? And which part of it me not apologize for? The girls that come on the internet, the girls that are pregnant, the girls that commit adultery. I want to kill his husband, man, regardless of my vulgar. I want man to my goodie. Them live some dangerous, listen, some dangerous life. Me not do live no more with it. You understand me? Too married and worse, for better or for worse. I'm sorry, Queenie, hold it. But enough is enough, madam. Me have big kids. Enough time I hear people tell me know the truth. But me know not come easy. And you can't knock it until you try it, innit? So you don't know what it is until you go in it. But my sister not appreciate me. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I do it tap me in my face and put me in hospital. You hear that? I'm
What you mean?
it. And when I come out, I say, do I come out and you there to read a chat with man and you know, come give me a 15 minutes to hug me. I'm so crazy. You expect me for hug you, you cuss me. I'm say, what? I'm a hold the blood clot thump and people
Then you would say assist. Then you would say assist.
Then I tell you I'm a hold it. That's why I said the truth is the truth. I have enough. So I'll work on blood clot. I have enough. You might come talk about in the warm my back. What the fuck you mean by in the warm my back? Me no want your back either, brother. So why you think I got some blood clot deep and hard? You understand me? Him not make a decision. Him not have a mind. I'm on a long time. I saw him steer. You understand me? Yeah, him is a dog team one blood clot vomit and more and prove to me if he said to me, say, well, you can't tell me what to do. Every girl can go in and phone. It's why my teeth from phone, Richie. At 3 hours, I read the man message them. I see the way my blood clot shame. I told me not have no shame, make me no blood clot shame. You hear me, Richie? It's the way the girl talk to my husband. I said, do it. Don't make girls talk to you so do it because you're desperate. Just the way you reason with them and them see say your self-esteem is low. Because do we have a low blood clot self-esteem? Don't mind do it. So when it seems strong for me, I hype on me like him no want me. Him I the buzz that game, so I impress the world me like man and nothing till him take it as a habit. You understand me? And through me always I forgive him. He might go fuck girl, I'm a find out and him vexing up on top of it. And yet still me there I agree with him. I want heap of things my dad. My relationship not come easy and I'm my husband and I love him and I say, all right, him young. So I want to explore. You understand me? So I'm explore with him. So I'm down to her, I give him a lot of opportunity. But it's when him diss me, Richie, my low self-esteem when I have, I feel it down in my belly button, Richie. I just only sometimes I see some people are bash me. I mean, I say, long live Queen Blood Clot, Lady Gangster. I want to blood clot and I fit it to survive. You hear that, madam? You hear that? Mankind is so unkind in this time. Unkind mankind. Not poor me. Listen, I always go through brass clot relationship journey. I'm still stand firm. Not do is rude. Sometimes him up on the live and me and him attack and him up and shut up. I'm say, do is stop it. Shut up. So I start force him to say shut up. No matter how I talk to him, I say do not appropriate. So what I do now before him say shut up, me up and shut up. But it's rude. Him not have no limit. Him mama can't talk to him. Then this moment him and that friend, I set a friend, and him and them vexed him forgot that set there. Same like a rolling stone girl and a blood clot mass. So when them I say I force him, no. And morals me I teach him. But follow you go fuck how much in blood clot, girl, and hold it like a blood clot, G. Yeah, sit down a blood clot, sit down and chat me with blood clot, man. You're married to blood clot, man, do it. Eh? You never know the vagabond where your blood clot take.
Yeah.
Eh? Richie, man, nothing from me. You just want to sit there and dead for blood clot. You know, pretty done so you go to school and waste time. If doing I carry me, I lift up 10 pounds. If I ask do if lift up on him, not lift up on. And through my rough and tough, I'm a born from Jamaica. I'm a born at St. Thomas and go to school without shoes. If do I pack him suitcase, do pack it and put in a car and go still and left me. I have a beg him lift up 1 out of 10 bag. Maybe him lift up 2 or 1. Him nah blood clot lift up the rest. Do we have the car drive up and down and sit and pop off right time? I tell do it if you can't go fix it in the know for blood clot fix it. I see him sit down with them blood clot long, blood clot cheesy cocky friend them. I profile me last time. I'm not afraid of not blood clot man.
Queenie, yeah,
me run the world.
Yeah, look what I'm saying, Queenie.
I'm any blood clot. You want to see them and I say look at that.
Yeah,
None of them have the decency to come and say, Mama, why go on? You understand me? I'm just look on it and say, God, look how me live for come to this man go film papers the 10th of September 2 years ago, and by the 16th of November I'm getting papers. And by the 20th of November I'm reaching England. And within that time I'm fly over 20 million blood clot time. And the man say money can't buy blood clot. Look, do we confuse and I know when blood clot wants. So I show him say, my 3 years what I confused, done. All I comfort to him give me and the love and the time. Well, I remember I know me I run from blood clot. Every time me and him have argument over simple thing. Him pack up gone. Me I have a house, me I have vehicle together. You understand me? I set a foundation. So what me I gonna do? Depend a long-term thing we do I run up and down with friend I escort him and me sit down like one puppy dog and look for him. And them I go say me I go crab him up, call me a tiger. And them way them a deal with me, you know, call me a abuse do it. So me say me abuse blood clot do it. So after this Sunday when him hold me up in my blood clot chest over 10. I said, do it. Remember, I just come out of the hospital. Do it. Remember, say you not lick me again. Do it. Remember, say you're too ignorant. Do it down. Do not know you forgot and do it. Still hold me so. With him too. And I mean, all them I do say, I lick up underneath just and I realize. And Richie, God forgive me. And lock up me and kill me and correct me and blood clot. Can't be me. We go sleep with my blood clot pitney. And Richie, yes, to my mother now blood clot involved. Me not want it and dead. You hear me? When me dead, we want to pick out the tooth and mix it up. Oh, Mr. Dwey, I attack him in Twitter and the man grab me now. I just spin him over another chair and start scrape out him neck with my finger. Coming up on a fingernail, so I just get on my center my spore now and start crab him. I'm Mr. Dwey. Hey, people wicked still up. Mr. The man got tag up. Him friend them similar set. I said, look how much man. I mean, as a woman, the whole of them would have seen me weeks ago. I said, Queenie, I love you. I know a situation come that one of blood clot them that come up to me. Anyway, I thought my blood clot truth. Yes, Richie.
Yeah, Queenie.
So, when I grab me up, so now I'm spin him over another chair. The passenger's jeep in the jeep. That time the man. I mean, lick him first enough. I mean, first lick him and him drape me. And the way I drape me, I said, do you mad? Remember your premise and I lick me again anyway. Remember I tore her rough it up. So I said the target when I play a target and that hurt me, that's why I talk the truth. So when I spin him over another chair now, him said front way, so some head hold me, my head hold on so. So I use my hand and I crab it, but him have him too and I hold me. When I looking at him left pocket, him I want like a pink scissors. Yeah. One like a pink scissors. I'm going to take it out and pack it and jam him right. And him the pan crazy, stab me. Give me the scissors. I'm going to say, pussy. How much time I tell you, say, not to put your blood clot and back on me. Eh? You know, since I just come out of hospital. One more year got blood clot. I'm not stab you. I'm conscious. It have to end today. That at 2 Sunday ago, the 30th of August or the 31st. Yeah? And for him take the car, him trick me. So after that happened now and him said, forgive me scissors. I said, I not give you the scissors. I not go to prison. I said, remember you tuck me in my face, do it. With a ring for your finger, I'm hold it like a G. I know if you see you come and do me blood clot that I want to do it. One time I think I get 10 licking on my face. I said, God, which church me is shit in that? Why so much burden? But at the same time, I have life. I may have energy. For still speak the truth. And then take me and do me something now. God, beer blood clot me with the side of line, I tell you. And when the man drive off now, and him go Southborough, no, me I drive, because sometimes I take charge of the Jeep, because I have the scissors. I don't give him the scissors. I'm going to say, do it. I carry go to the police station. Me the police, I'm sad it out, because nobody can talk to you, and nobody can talk to me. And this is bad. I said, do it, I get everybody to talk to you, and nobody carry nowhere, because when you're willing to get somebody, you don't care. And soon to me, I got a 100-man police station now.
Yeah.
I love Queenie.
I love Queenie too. Queenie. Love you, Queenie. Queenie,
love you. And soon to me, you see, soon to me, I got a police station. He said, oh, my mommy knows I'm not stopping me, I'm sided up. But the way I'm frightened over the man, and the man knows me, I eat that fever and take my fever. I mean, for real. Yeah, remember him in the back of the Jeep and me I drive now, I got a police station and I talk and I said, do me and you just pray. You see, before I stab him, Richie, I take him and I said, do it. Me you pray. And I said, the Lord is my shepherd, me alone say it. And when I done, I said, do you know our Father? I say, yes, I say, you pray it. And we all on him pray it. Right? Me I tell you how I try and I'm done. So anyway, after I'm getting this time now, I jump on the steering and I drive. Just had a Sunday and not Sunday gone, 2 Sunday ago. And I said, do me, I forgot a police station because this nice out. You're not giving me a proposal for nothing. You just have chat me with people. All I probably never do it with me, not tell me. Anyway, so when him say me, I got the police station, him say, oh, crazy my side. So me like I idiot now, jump out of the vehicle. Run on to the door where I'm at, but it's a sliding door, come quick. So me
Yeah, me I hear you, Queenie.
pull the door from the front, yeah? From up there, the steering. I soon call it back. Leave me alone. I speak the truth. I now go bust like blood clot balloon, man.
Yo, blood clot Queenie make you speak her truth. I move. I want to call the Queen.
Man,
No, call the Queen right now.
Yeah,
Speak it to Queenie.
him take me a cover up for blood clotting, and him love disgrace. I love throw it from me and the family indirectly. So I said, do it, stop that. Anyway, so when him say him side, I hurt him now. From around the steering, I press the car because it's a slide door. So come quick, ain't it? Remember me old gangster, you know? So by me, remember me generally think something to inside, you know. So by the time I jump round to the side of the door now, when I look the man there on the steering, so I jump in the car, I say, what you do? Take me for blood clot, eat that you forgot some a bad girl. What you think you could have drive or left me? So I start drive now. But in this time, I have the 2 vehicle key. The vehicle them can't drive without the key in it. So what him do, him pull up a South Barrow, come out of the car and run through the alley. My mama crab up in face and I say, no, the little girl crab, the little fingernail crab. The man I tell people I'm a stab him. Pardon?
Then I'm back to crab him.
When you're fighting a planned fight, madam. Not planned, it happened natural. Richie, don't take the piss, please. Let me express myself. Thank you.
You know what
I mean? Time. I forgot what I said. I'm confused, Richie. So when we see him do that now and him go in the alley, I take the Jeep and I drive up beside him and I say, yeah, go away. By the time I reach back at Portsmouth now, him run come to the car because he have the car key. You understand?
Yeah.
So it goes on and that from that I not see him. I block him. Then one day I send him 3 songs, send him some voice note, block him back. Him not call me, me not call him because my blood clot done. I want to you. Nothing no last forever. We're born once, we live once, and we dead blood clot once. Nothing no last forever. I have good nice time with my husband. I'm still glad I'm married. I got divorced for that. So
it's a
you can't build with somebody and them not bank and you not get no interest. You can't bank with somebody and not get no interest. You understand? Him hug me up. If him talk to me, I say, do it, don't talk to your wife like that. Remember me roughing about when a husband and wife time, it's different. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah.
So all of them little things they get enough now. Remember if me I cuss him awful because him I give me a problem. So me will agree to that.
Yeah.
Move your blood clot, do it. You have dirty man, Ray. I will do that. You might tell me I call him drunk and Mr. Do it. You can't. I want him to rape my husband for. I'm never bring no germs to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up to it, not germs do it.
No, all is not last. But the truth is the truth, Richie, and enough is enough. Me's a bigger man. Regardless, me have energy, I'm a hyperactive, me have self-esteem. So regardless, my vulgar loud and me not have no shame sometimes. Within my gut belly, it hurts, baby. You understand me, Richie? And to my husband and him young, me I say, give him time for grow, but him not grow with no understanding. Him I do the wrongs that when me cuss him can't forgive me. It don't make no sense. It doesn't, remember me now, fuck pan him now.
Yeah.
All him draw allegation now, me have man. Me said, oh, blood clot, please. All right, you see same Sunday before me stab him. Here how the stabbing coming now.
You stab him?
You know, here with the scissors, you deaf? Yeah, stab him with the scissors, because me not hide blood clot nothing. You see before the Sunday when him get the stab, remember me and him a cuss from Saturday night for him give me a hug. Him say him not hug me because when him come to the hospital, me the cuss him. Remember, a man took me in my face, so I'm vulnerable, so I'm supposed to all kiss the cut, the thumb, anyway. So Saturday when me tell him, say him not hug me now. And Sunday, 1 o'clock, me say I'm really not hug me. I pack my bag and I say, no, do it. Me I go because no matter what I do to you, I can't crack you. I mean, I understand how you love me. I mean, all time I try. I say, come give me a hug, do it. I'm sorry for everything. Listen what I say, do it, come give me a hug, I'm sorry for everything. And him hug me that time, then when me I go away. So I go over NCB Bank, over the mall, yes, over Portmore. Go park up in the car for 20 minutes. I try sleep, but I can't sleep. When I drive back, go into the house, I see my load the Jeep. I move out. So I said, do it. Yeah, I move out for me and I tell me after I just say, buy you, Ray. Same time I looking for a ring, one girl named Tamika Tickers. So
Tamika Tickers?
Tamika Tickers, thick girl, your pussy clean and fat. Move your dirty blood clot. Anyway, but slide the phone and him start fight my feet. So when him start fight my feet, I said, do it. I don't want your phone, you know. I said, do it, I now make you go with the Jeep now, the car, you know, because this is for the family. Yeah, and if you say you go to Canada, because I say I go to Canada may I go. And my graduate cost me not getting a Canada visa. I said, do it, go on to Canada. Because the fact that you have a baby mother 10 minutes from 15 minutes, 25 minutes, I'm afraid. So I prefer you go. So all of that now, when I come back now and see him now, I may drive. I say, I not get the vehicle them I do it. See if you are left out, you not get the vehicle them for go fuck no girl in it. So I drop the things them to your house and then I come out my business. So him said to me, say, if I want to reach before Kent now, him say, where did I go? Where did I go a while ago? Which way did I go? I say, me did I go fuck, look somebody for fuck out my pussy. So him say, oh, I attack every blood clot thing, my guy give him sitting for 8 man. Anyway, yeah, I love Queenie. So,
Yeah, me too.
him say, where did I go? I say, me did I go fuck? Him say, oh, me that fuck? I say, do it. I don't have nobody for fuck, cause you know I don't flirt around. And no one shit hit the fan, me not have nobody for fuck. But you know enough man know they want fuck me. Me said, so that's why I come back do it. Him said, you can't be my wife, have my name and fuck no man. So you know that my sweet feel good, Richie. Out of everything that little something that when him say sweet me.
Yeah.
So I laugh. Yeah. This is before him grab me up, you know. So this is after we pray now, I'm going to grab him up now. I'm done praying. I do it. It's after end today. The card is in your hands. What do you want to do? Him now, no, I'm so crazy. You say, you know, I'm going to come back at England. I said, do it. It's not about me. The card is in your hand now as a husband. Without you, there is no us. Social media cannot decide for us. Remember, we're all an attack, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Media cannot decide for us, so we have to get it done and over, cause he might cost nothing where him do not please me. I mean, I thought, all right. That's when him sit down there for half an hour, 20 minutes now answer me. So I say, all right, do it. Since as you not have no answer, I'm driving. I'm going to go carry your clothing over here. And turn on the car. So him turn on the car now. I lick him and say, you're really married to me. Go breed 100 girl. And just get up and tell me I go to Canada and expect me to just accept that. It's by the time I said the man grab me. I just have me a single car. You know the car in a Richie, in the Jeep, you know, but the Jeep coming like our house, you know. The Jeep big and space.
No, the Ryan 17-seater?
Yes, that's what happened. So yeah, so when him grab me like that, remember me have the big old disgrace yesterday, you know. So now my head mess up, Jesus Christ, the man are gonna let me in my face again. So this is me to him. He said, do it. Remember, you promised you're not gonna let me again. Do it. You're too ignorant. Do it. Don't do not what you're gonna regret. So I attack him into it, you know, but him now lick me in him and shake me up, you know. When the man done the whole island need just to tender and swell up again, you know, it's a blood clot. You know what me do and make me go through so much. But me take everything with a smile in it. So that's no. When my sister all I want me I said to him still I said crazy. What you want me to do damage? I said do it. The one lick me give you have to take it because you told me in my face do it. So me I talk to him in a Richie. And the man still you know. It's when I see that man, I just put on my center mass power and just flip around upon him and I say him headlock me now. So the headlock me I want him lick me in my face, you know, me all I pray in a Richie. And I said, God, please don't make it. So I saw me see little pink scissors now in my pocket. I said, God said, God, that's where I know. I God said, give me a little joke. You want to hear ball over a little joke? You saw me something happened to my face in the hospital?
Yeah.
The face got through 15 different stages, Richie. One time
So
I see the bus out of my mouth, it think like a worse of that river tan. The face black and blue, it swell, then it get faster, then cut it, then put it, the amount of stages I'm going to go through, I say, Queenie, this have to be the call out. Because my face and my ID. I'm a friend. You know, me ever tell people about say him now I'm about. Oh, do it. Remember, you come see me with my family. And I me make everywhere them go, them this a shout out. Do it. And me make you famous. If you respect your wife. If you don't want to be with me, deal with me with respect. Stop slander me with man. The man them not have no good advice. Me tell me say do behind back them and chat to do it. Because enough you to have the opportunity where you get. You're in England 2 years and 8 months. And him fly around 20 times with me many places. So enough little things, you understand me? I'm not perfect, but I'm loyal, I'm determined. I'm persistent, I'm work hard.
I am not left your husband.
No, I'm not want about my husband. God Almighty truth. So The same Sunday, I'm going to call so much people for help me, because I know I got anything, I'm going to call my brother. I make my mother talk to him. I try everything, Richie. So I call my pastor in England. And the pastor asked me if everything all right. This is 12 days now, my face mash up, and I'm tell the pastor, you know. She said, Johnny, how's your mother, everything? I said, Elizabeth, and she said, how's your husband? I said, Elizabeth, I tell her the truth. My husband told me in my face, and I was hold it down, and I never gone to hospital, and it broke out and explained to her. And she said, oh my God, Johnny, he doesn't deserve him. I said, I know he doesn't deserve me. She said, no, your face, you have to work with your face. So the repeater, may I repeat it back? The man sit down and say, Richie, I mean, I said, people really different. You hear me now? And you Wobia walking, you love Wobia. That's why I believe in that thing that people must say, me love Wobia, do it. Don't dare you do it. Don't chat it. Me say, anybody love blood clot Wobia. The whole heap of girl where you mix up with them Wobia blood clot, they make it top me in my face. Anybody will forget Wobia me, because I'm me at the laughing stock, I'm me at the puppy show, I'm me at the clown, I'm me at the mockery. I mean, make the world know you. I mean, mad over you, I mean, crazy over you, but you married to me. I've got your name. He doesn't respect marriage. No matter what I say, do me could go call. Me no want to go to counseling crazy. But for I see if you tell him something, improve. Oh, my wife thinks she can't program me, but girl are programming. Richie, just the way I hear the girl them talk to do, me say, do you a celebrity? You're a queen husband, make girl run you down. No,
Yeah.
girl talk to you, some husband. Some talk to
Louis
the
V,
youth.
Louis V. No, Louis V do it. Where you buy Louis V?
Leave him phone many times. Ask some of my girl if me no message them. Some of them I talk to them good, some of them I cuss them, some of them I no message them. You understand me? It's so much. And just the lower self-esteem now and be my shame in a Richie. That's a bomber clock. Look at me take about then. I'm a husband. Me don't know what next man would give me. You understand? I just like. I still love my husband, but I don't want to be with him. In the one side of Caan. Make the one side of blood clot Caan too.
Queenie, I know I love you a long time, because a long time I follow you up. But you know that I just listen where I listen to you, because you need to vent. Because when you vent, you get better when you vent. From what I look at me, I say, I don't like how the queen face looks so I know.
Yeah, see it, man.
I don't like the queen face the way me see.
And then the youth know same do that to my face and not show a remote. So that me look on and I say, Queenie your face or do relationship. Queenie your face or you say me in the hospital, Richie, and then say them have a cut my face. Me say no, I want my husband, I can't do it take 3.5 hours to come and cuss me. I'm a cuss it blood clot back. You hear me? Oh, you know what, I'm a beard, my dirty skin. Remember, I'm a vulnerable one. Remember, my eye time lit me in my blood clot face, you know, so my eye that for you do it. You say I broke your blood clot next to me, I wash my foot and drink the water. You should have stayed at the hospital yard in a car till daylight. You understand me? So I see the youth now showing a remorse to me. I say, oh, so I'm frightened over a young cocky. A cocky flying on my blood clot head. One blood clot man when I fuck 9 times for one day and the next man fuck me 17 times for day and do it younger than blood clot them and him no meet blood clot that. So what kind of cocky me can frighten over?
We
you know
remember
why I do the cocky challenge? Me tell you why. When I fuck me 9 times for day, 9 to 10 rounds. I said, man, this is Richie, I fucks me, I tell you. I said, I take one coolie boy after that, and the boy said to me, said to himself, you know, my ex fucked me 9 times for day one day. And so, what? You should have told me that. I'm going to fuck you 24 times for the day. He said, you can't fuck me for 24 times. And the boy reached 17. When some blood clot, big stretch out crutches, bomber blood clot, all a chat about blood clot, my friend, for young boy cocky. No. I love my husband.
Yeah.
I may give him time for grow. Because I'm friend for certain things, I may give him time for grow, Richard. That's why I'm a down-to-earth woman. But I said the disrespect will come behind it. I'm dealing with it, Richard.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I said to me.
Can't let me have cry, Queen. One man fuck her 9 times. And next man fuck her 1 time. You know. Queen, where you come from, man? I'm balling for the balling of Queenie. One Queen with him.
Richard, I'm going to ask you to comment them.
Me know you not ask you to comment them. But me I see the one of them.
Big up yourself, Richie. So I'm thinking that I got married to me, I'm going to put so much interest to him and him just dismiss, so I'm going to just take it, Richie. Come on. And then hear him now. Me ask him on them, say, if them did have, if that's for them, I'm going to deal with them brothers, so them sons, them with a deal with. Some shit, I'm like, then who the why you deal with them sisters and them mothers, so? Or them daughters, so? They're the same for the same. Stop being fucking victim, you're a man. You understand me? Got blood clot Canada, go lift up the Maple Leaf them and buy me the blood clot Jeep. I'm not want none for them either. Make yourself a man, I'm proud of you as my husband. And don't think you can blood clot cocky chastise me. I'm not frightened over cocky, that's why I'm not fucky Richie. That's
Yeah,
why
Queenie.
do you know if I'm have a real wife and a fucky, that's why I'm clowning you out, so. Do a lot of random girl, we have all 6 man and them I beg them. So it's me that call you, you know, answer them look weird and it's and now when me say do it. Put something into me, may I go on Instagram, go dance, may I do YouTube blogging, do it. You see me I do them party and do it promote them. Look for all of me show them. I have to beg him for put up the thumb them. All I look at flies them when I do, all I see him that they up and down with me, I cock up in a car, I bleach. And they on phone, I look, girl, every minute in phone, they on ping, girl, I send him pussy. Him not capitalize the God game with me. Every minute him run to your mother, go carry my name to your mother, and then your mother, which I'm mother. But she for make him, me just say to your mother, say, listen, when she call me, I say, him tell her I stab him up. I say, your son love drama as much as me. It's the same how your son hate me, and the same way your son hates you. Him deal with you same way, and me have to tell him many times, it's your mom. So now, send your son to Canada and make him go better himself. And I hope him learn from what him do. And him guy remember one day say him to get a great man. Oh, crazy! Me not turn back, you know, me not beg. You know beg, but you sponge or you itch for blood clot friend you had every minute you run you as a married man. And the investment for me you do, you know, protect them. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah, Queenie.
I don't lie me at them. As much as you check up on the video, you know I'm having my vehicle, I can't find it. They say me see the youth now help me do nothing. And just say that one bench. I mean, it's a bumbo clock. One of my pitney said to me, say, Mommy, you're married to a man child. And just the me say, all right, do it. You control the tracker for the vehicle. And you know what the brother do? Find him track the vehicle them one time. I don't remember the password now or nothing. When I give him that film taking charge. So when you see the way I paint blood clot, bleaching picture. And I show up on blood clot, me just stir the blood clot all foot. You hear that? You can't blood clot and nothing wrong about me. More than for discriminate me for people sorry for you. But you know the truth lies within you. You have enough riches, truth, I got divorce. But don't check it out already at England on UK.com. Yeah, I'm married to my husband legally and can't come to England. I'm not appreciating none enough you to all them things. I said, do it. Go up on internet, go do your bleaching cream and make me an endorse it and sell one like £50 for your dad son. Crazy, me don't want to sell a £50 for him. Because the mama love money. And that not, me said, do it every little help him not try nothing. I can't tell him nothing. I buy clothes to me and him do it's a herd. Him look like Empanil. And this me you want wearing now. No little nothing. You understand me? Because he want to challenge me. Him not appreciate me as a wife and he say, you take my 10,000 and turn it into 15,000. Him not have them skills. So when him sits there, I tell him the truth, he pants on me. I make me feel like me idea. But do we can't trick blood clot me himself in my trick. And me, by the world know him and love him. I want them love him and honor him for who he is. And don't use me and judge him. Because my husband know my love. But me no want no more right. Them just love just disappear, so Richie. Talk to me now.
Queenie. Remember say me I reason and thing, I have to vent and thing, but I don't know the whole world until I say them not believe you until them see papers.
It will happen.
Because
You see, it's God on time. You know who inspire me?
who inspire you?
Wife. You see, she up a post and says, I'm get 3.5 years. She said, my ex-husband, soon to be. No, my husband, soon to be ex-husband. Girl need to put them foot down, Richie. Even in the music industry, we get a lot of fights. Every man sing or girl suck them pussy. I know me sing small suck pussy now. Everybody wants to say this and that. But I say, God, somebody have to speak out for the ladies them. We forget more respect, Richie. Enough of a woman hiding a secret and put
True,
out bed. Look how we
Queenie,
get on
true.
the internet.
True,
Look how
Queenie.
much surprise that you're right, just so.
Yeah,
Because some of
Queenie.
our dear, go on. Like this to me.
Queenie, remember you say you give me heart, soul, and body, and everybody run with it.
Listen, I them their lyrics.
A lyrics.
Yeah.
Oh, lyrics.
Nobody
Queenie.
business. Nobody
Get ready
business.
and
All
tell
right, you
about
see
it,
my
Queenie.
husband, listen. My husband can't be a batty man. No matter how me and him done. You hear me? My husband can't be a batty man. Me test my husband in many ways. Him not even fuck woman bottom. Not my husband. So,
Yeah,
me not go give him where him not forget. Me raw,
yeah,
plain and real. So some of them drag got allegation on him and
yeah,
self-esteem as a person. Yes. Him don't know who for loyal to. Jump in a friend pan and jump out a friend. And when him get somebody now we're loyal to him. Him turn idiot because him never get them love in his life. So him abuse
yeah,
them. It's truth. Him sure for me. I'm insecure you know.
yeah,
Hear him now. Me call him idiot every day. That's not when me I cuss you. Me give you praise, me say do it for you coming in my life, my grow. Which one me I gonna sting my husband bet to me from the 25th of December. I'm gonna clash Amari and doing a talk to me. That time there I'm gonna fuck down in Ghana. You'd even fuck and give me tell me say Queenie good luck. You hear me, mother? I will leave at it. So I say I come and see my ball and I draw allegation. I say, what you bring to me make me react? You understand me? How
yeah.
you deal with me? Alright, do we have one girl named Carlina Inga where I know from Jamaica and him send a voice note to the girl when me and him just married. I say some rude things and a ball to the girl and I say, come me to put up the girl on my Instagram. So him a different, him always different every girl. But I girl yard when I couldn't find the way and do it up on live go defend the girl. I saw the way still. And the girl now when he call you now, when I put her up. After we're married now and me come back to England and I call him one night at 2 o'clock and him act like him and see. I said, do me just see a post 4 minutes ago. So I start cussing. That time I'm in there with a girl I'm in a know. So him call Colin and I vent to Colin and I tell Colin I'm all I'm a fuck out. I'm sorry. And class me them put it up on Alpine I thought. I only think my husband do my dad. You understand me? And them come out from him public and him not showing no remorse. I'm just hold it and know so this blood clot must end my pitney dead and gone. Then this one must send me I that. Me any that. Eh? No man to my goodie. My
No,
honey
man,
and
to
I
do
dash
this.
out. Play the song now. My honey and I dash out my body. Oh, I hear
What
it.
are you play for your Queenie? Queenie song have to play. You hear it, yeah?
That one, right?
Honey. Oh, Papa.
Ah, the dad for sure. I guess I'm in love with it, Richie. Yes.
Come back now. Queenie.
The boy when me suck off me suck my back. What is that song?
Yo.
Richie, you see this boy when me see him post him song?
Yeah.
I feel it in my pussy blood clot. Down in my belly in my say. But that is a big insult, you know. Do we really a contest me? I just call up 2 people and say, I need a student idea, yeah. 3
Yeah.
people I call up and 1 get back to me. I say, what time? Them say 10:30. Them I come from 9:30. I say, blood clot, that sound good. In a plan. I do it at the rage. I want to see how I feel as a wife. Regardless of what, Richie. As a
Yeah.
wife, regardless of what. Me's a respectable woman no matter what. A lot of people love me and respect me.
Yeah.
I appeal this picture to the world so you mock me. I constantly do it. And I'm at home, I try for 200 down. You come with a little juke something there. You understand me? So since I did juke from I had juke blood clot me. Juke from sweet and sour. I sour blood clot part right now. Life sweet and blood clot. So I made him have some nice great time. And I'm a nice husband and I love her everything. So we not live for that part.
Can't live with the part because you know your husband 13 days now you know.
Richie, it was too much challenge. And guess what, Richie? It's all I want to complain with my dad. I'm willing to put up with it. But I tell him to the fuck with them, I'm a run, and them see him I run, and I got a friend, and I tell them something there. I say, no, but they're not try to settle with me. That's the long answer. Remember, I'm not giving a pitney. That's a one. But you run down where you don't know, and I run from where you have. So you love somebody, you set them free, Richie.
You're not going to free Queenie. You want to do it till death.
No, man. Do that. Do it all right, man.
You undo it till death. Remember say, you know, I do what you use and get over the cow, you know. Remember that, you know. Remember, you know, Queen, if one man in February go to the country and talk to cow, you know, and the whole world say, whoa, I have a man in cow. And when we look at see, I show one little slim man where you go start show him foot, you show him hand, you show him head back, you show all kind of things till me see you just make one big push out and say, do it, I'm ball out. And when me look again,
I'm a natural character.
When me look again, me see you go to and say, yo, I always say, I'm married. Whoa, I'm married. And when me look, I had the first somebody married over Elsa Beach.
Richie, beach, you married but guess what, Richie? It's when you married to a man and they might tell you behind closed door and say, me no business, you know. Me no give a fuck. You can't go anywhere, me can't do anything what I want to do. It's rude. It's a get being a joke. I'm not going to ever change. I'm going to always contest me. So I have to come to my senses now. You understand?
We know, January, you tell us you come to your senses, you know.
No. That's a thumping of our senses. You see, yes, sir? Right now, my face look like voodoo to blood clot. I show my good spirit. I'm a rich spirit. I'm an anointed spirit. Keep me focused.
One.
But every time
One connection do it. When there? Him there, I know Queenie.
You see? That's a do it. Yeah, man, him a go listen.
Talk to your husband. Talk to your husband, Queenie. I listen to you. Talk to your husband.
I don't talk to him. I'm all right. He hear everything.
Talk to your husband. One connection do it. But play do it song. Blood clot. I want to hear. Clash of the clash. What them feel like. Queenie versus do it. Queenie versus do it. Do it. You're over here.
That's everywhere me tell them, they such a do it. No man to me goodie. And I do it. Not a do it, no man to me goodie. Not a do it. No. No man to me goodie.
Look it up.
Like I don't chip up, me no fuck, no be brush. You know be shot, if it clean and tight.
Come here.
Then you walk on top of the from do it bad. Get ready.
Okay, now it's time to get ready. Bye.
I'm sorry, bad.
You do it, your wife till death. You and your wife, when death, you join him for the life. Come in, do it.
I sting me and him for go sting out his blood clot.
Blood clot, yeah, your husband. Come in, come argue out with Queenie right now. Fire, come in. I want to hear. You feel like me a pick the side in the now, you come jack me and choose me. And two on the side me the pan.
Nah, the pan Richie, the pan plane.
Blood clot. I don't start with the pan. Come in, do it. One connection, do it.
Listen, Richie. Mr. Do if you're going to cow bumbo. No matter how long it takes me sit up anywhere me there, I'm a queen. In can't hide. How long somebody can lock him up in our house, sir?
Then you're man where you love. I am good husband.
I'm not in control of doing, even though I love him. I do love him. That's a fact. Nothing is wrong with that, but I am not in control of his feelings.
What's that? The queen don't hear say do it upon the life and the queen just change. Do it!
Do it!
Hear it!
Fuck, hey, Richie! Last year, tell me, say, husband, me want. When he give me whole heap of trouble in England, I'm not husband, me want, husband, me get. This year, me I tell him, wife you want, wife
you get. Husband you want, husband you get. You see it? Move on the dirty blood clot. Hello, Queenie and her husband. All I want to talk
move on the dirty blood clot. I don't want him to. I don't want him.
Move on the dirty blood clot. It's all about the Queen and her husband.
Me tired of him and him tired of me. We just to go our ways now. Fuck that.
Fuck that shit. It's all about the Queen.
Yeah.
Queen and one connect do it. One two on the blood clot on me tell on the love Queen and her man. Tell you no.
Husband.
Husband. Yes, sorry. Husband.
Yes,
Queen and her husband.
Properly. Thank you.
You see it? Everything change now. Do it soon, come back to him wife. A 13 year now him not see her. 13 years she not see him. And she go last night down one place and sit down at the road and do it see her and say, I saw my wife go on, man. Me know her. Nobody see the guy husband.
Slam flat for my bottom. Me not tired out my foot and then me just get up and start dance.
And start dance and go on a bag of things.
And the selector play double tap 4 times. I'm just double tap 4 times and then walk out of the blood clot.
I say, move your blood clot Dwey and cussing.
Move. No, I'm not troubling. Me
Okay.
just show. Me when the selector throw out for me, Richie, hear him sell out himself now. So when we reach the dance now, you know. As we see some police in front of me, so I say, blood clot, this is going to come like I'm bring police. So anyway, me a bad girl still, so I just find up the park up behind the police.
Yeah.
I walk past the police and I'm going to a party, I'm going to a Migla party, I'm going to look around. Nobody no call to me in a Richie. I say, Bumbo clot, Queenie. Is there ever whole dirty blood clot? But to me, I'm God in that.
Yeah.
I mean, no, say, I miss a double tap on the girl and pussy clean and fat and them I go blood clot defend the Queen.
Yeah.
Anyway. So, cut long story short. So, when I see that nobody now, I look around with 10 bucks of pose and 15 bucks of screw, you know. I'm going to look around, I'm going to go outside, I'm going to sit down right outside and go again at the doorway of the party. At the gang in the Richie.
Yeah.
When I look at the door, 5 friends them come out and them say what them I say and them walk go down the road. I'm going to walk behind them because my Jeep park down the road. When I see them continue walk, I sit down in the Jeep. When I sit down in the Jeep, now I walk my Jeep door and cock up my foot on the big Jeep and I watch them through the window. I walk go down the road. When I look Richie, 7 of them come back. 2 more, do it, and 1 more. Do it at the front. Me a tiger, me go crab him up and me abuse him, so I'm afraid of me.
Yeah.
Me just stand up and me say, what a cheek. Look on the big ass gun, man. Fuck cheesy cocky blood clot, man, them. Where guard my husband from me. What a cheek. No could have cared. Do we got blood clot England and give him opportunity to this me. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah.
I'm just go on my composure and watch it. When me see them, I walk come on the road and him look for me. I'm going to look back on him. I take my eye on him. I'm going to look on him, but I don't look on him. I'm going to start walk behind them. I'm going to walk behind them like me and them come my party, you know. Remember me going there already 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to walk behind them now. When one of them stop back, I'm still continue with the rest of them. I'm going to the party now and sit down on the ground now, right behind the selector now. Selector play for 10 minutes. Nobody not acknowledge me more than one youth come and say around 50, 60 people in that party. More than one youth come and say, Queenie, I rate you know, I say respect and chop off him. And anyway, sit down there for around 20 minutes now, Richie. You're the liberty, you know.
Yeah.
So I see somebody whisper to the selector, yeah, I know what your little young blood clot, kiss the tail fool, you know. I tell him, not give me, but my mic, not give me mic, you know. I don't want no mic, brother. I don't need for God to go disgrace my husband. You take with the car, I not see you for 13 days, your friend I keep party, so I'm bad.
Yeah.
Anyway, so when I sit down there, I see the whole of them style me. Like Catburn Pen, I'm my own blood clot Catburn Pen more than you do. I run a fence or real me, you go do music, can you meet Cash Rain and them friend them. I run with blood clot them from January and style blood clot me. So you and Catburn Pen can't blood clot out though because Catburn Pen is mine.
Yeah.
So anyway, so when I get up and dance, see the root selector and Richie. Like them remember only a blood clot Queenie and me and God power.
And the power of St. Thomas.
Remember somebody whispered to him, you know, hear him now? How will you come wind up in front of me for woman? Me now look nobody. Me say, move your dirty blood clot. Bly. I give him 3 blank.
Boy,
So I give him 3 blank. Me say next man whisper to him and him play a double tap. I'm going to start double tapping at the middle. I mean, when I double tap, I say to him, sir. Him say, Queenie, cold bomb take me in my ear where I go. I don't know where I go, but I bust him bust and blood clot them and I realize. Because remember, I all coat. I read everything I did upon my ones with God. So I analyze. So it's this time I sit down, I put my back against the wall and the selector me, I see everybody in front of me. So I cover every blood clot angle. With my phone, sit down on my slippers. My slippers, they are going, I'm barefoot. I put my phone on my slippers. So no bumper wall can't see me a video them. I'm bad.
Yeah.
You hear what I say? Anyway, so when the boy say I'm not look, I'm shooting now and then you hear him now. Queenie, cold bomb take me in my ear where I go on. Whoa, what do you hear where I go on? I feel like we're in a moment and play double tap again. And every blood clot girl now start real for me. I'm just say, God, me love you, me. I say, same girl them see me and I call to me, because them don't tell the girl them say, Queenie, I come down, they come to disgrace. Whatever them think of blood clot me, but nobody can predict me. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah.
So he would pull up the song 4 times. I see him, I kiss him, and I say, there you go. The queen is there.
The queen is
I'm a
here.
yes. And the girl them perform and dance and go out with themselves. And when them done play my song, I just go home and drive away. Evelyn. So, that is it.
So Queenie, do we soon come home?
No,
Yeah.
I don't want him to come.
And you and him go back to England.
No, him for go Canada for my art. Take him opportunity. I make himself their man and stop use me for excuse. I tried. You understand me? Richie, can you imagine me I got a stage show with 10,000 people? And you there when I back at school, I have to go up there and face the blood clot crowd. See, you understand? You have to be professional and cut out the childish
So you
thing.
know, call him, make him sing theme song too.
You call him,
No, man, you could call him up for your one good husband, you know.
I not call him, he not answer me. I black him and him black me.
No, man, I mean when they're on the show them.
Then I that me do, but me I tell him the man vex him now, come on. Can't a simple little thing me can back after him and him. And then when he loud, I mean that me not understand, you know. When the man loud, that I mean the man half full more than me, I still not understand why you penalize me. Still like how me accept myself so when me ready me tear dead meat. Accept it to no brother and stop be a victim. And that me not like, you know, Richie. Last year, March, I one big plaster on him Friday, make one girl put it on him Friday and come by internet and I bust him head. One little cup me use and lick him. You understand?
Yeah.
After a man angle and top me up all the while and beat me up and push me and do me a kind of blood clot, so much through my rough and through my haggish and turbo. No matter how me I scream out. No, him I say me I abuse him. We go know that word there. Because a long time that word there about, but certain people use it. It make people tell him all kind of shit. Him not have him own mind in a Richie. Him better low blood clot me. Oh.
Him now, love your Queenie. Him soon come back to him wife. One wife.
Only
One
if a girl out there want to suck him cock. They can go get some cocky one.
No, Queen himself.
The world want to see me fuck that.
Queen himself. Queen suck him a deal it. Any boy where you suck me, suck him back. I got him a deal it. One Queen way. One
Big up yourself.
Queen.
Love you, Richie.
Because the girl them pussy Queen and the girl them pussy fat. Great Queen.
Yeah. Richie nice little program. I like how you draw this team out of me, you know.
Yeah.
I'm say, you know, I'm not saying nothing on the internet. But just, me and a balloon virgin for that.
Joke the blood clot balloon in the pin. Move on the dirty blood clot. The Queen is here to stay. The Queen reign.
Yeah, man.
The Queen is here. The Queen reign. The Queen is here. How the blood clot to the feel like when the can to the Queen.
I sang it, you know.
What you say? You have a next one? Give them a teaser for the next one.
I just I sang on the get and I highlight. I same thing.
That means the Queen here go down in the December strong.
Me and him I go fasting. More me and him clash by blood. And him vex and I come fasting, you know. So,
Yeah.
I saw him stay Richie. Everything me and him build together. I'm running left it and one build it with other people. I'm going to find that weird. So I said, do why you challenge me? Remember me and you build it and me tell you say you're artist, my dad, I love your voice. You understand? And me boots him into it now all of a sudden I can't talk to him and tell him nothing. Fuck that, leave me alone, do it. Go out with your friend them, man. I see which one of your friend them consistent. Remember, everybody have their own problem and their own responsibility. Be a mother, girlfriend, side chick, lick chick, bite chick, suck chick, name chick. You
All
understand?
thing a chick.
Yeah.